Welcome to the Allman Product Tutorial Series. My name is Eric Barrett. I'm a marketing specialist for Allman. In this tutorial video, I will cover the operation on how to set up, start, and shut down your Maxi-Power 8XR mobile generator. Maxi-Power 8XR setup and start steps. Step 1. Transport the mobile generator to the worksite. Properly and safely position the mobile generator on a solid level surface. Do not set up the generator trailer on an incline more than 5%. Do not set up the generator trailer on level or unstable ground. Step 2. Put wheel chocks against the front and rear of each wheel. Step 3. Deploy the tongue jack. Remove the jack locking pin, rotate the tongue jack in the operating position, and install the jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and tongue. Unfold the crank handle. Turn the jack handle clockwise to lower the jack foot and raise the front of the generator trailer. Disconnect the trailer coupler, harness, and safety chains from the tow vehicle. Step 4. Move the tow vehicle away from the generator unit. Step 5. Make the generator trailer level front to back using the tongue jack. Step 6. Open the engine compartment door and check the engine fluid levels. Remove the dipstick from the engine and examine the engine oil level. The oil level should be between the full and add marks on the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. Check the engine coolant recovery bottle. Keep the engine coolant in the recovery bottle between 1/3 and 2/3 full. Replenish as necessary. Step 7. Start the unit. Set the main and outlet circuit breakers to the off position. Operating the engine and outlets. Turn the deep sea control module on-off switch to the on position. Check the fuel level on the deep sea controller by pressing either the up or down button to navigate to the fuel level screen, then add fuel if necessary. To manually start the engine, push the start button on the deep sea control module. After the glow plugs have warmed the engine intake, the engine will start. After the engine is started, all circuit breakers need to be in the on position. Connect power cables to the auxiliary AC power outlets. For more information on the deep sea controller and the AC power outlets, refer to both the deep sea controller and the Maxi-Power 8XR operator's manuals. Step 8. If a circuit breaker trips, disconnect the load from the outlet, shut off the engine, wait 10 minutes for the generator to cool down, correct the load problem, start the engine, reset the breaker to the on position. Also check the GFCI breaker on the GFCI outlet and reset if necessary. Then reconnect the load. Step 9. Units are equipped with emergency stop on the rear right side that will immediately shut down the entire unit in case of emergency. Step 10. Close the engine compartment door. Step 11. The mobile generator is now in operation for the worksite. Maxi-Power 8XR shutdown steps. Step 1. Open the engine compartment door. Step 2. Shut down the unit. Turn off outlet and main circuit breakers. Then press the stop button on the deep sea controller to shut down the engine, and then set the electronic controller power switch to the off position. Step 3. Wait 10 minutes for the unit to cool. Step 4. Disconnect any power cords from the outlets and store cords in the toolbox or their proper location. Step 5. Close the engine compartment door. Step 6. Remove the wheel chocks. Step 7. The unit is now ready for transport. For more information on your Maxi-Power 8XR, scan the QR code near the control box to access the product operations webpage on the Allman website.